Yup guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Alpha Trade. And today I'm so excited. To bring you guys this strategy. You can see I've used this strategy to build this account. This is actually the 10, what do you call it? We're actually having a $10 account challenge, okay? In my Telegram community. We are having October challenge phase 1 to raise $10 to $10 to $1,000, okay? To $200 rather, to raise $10 to $100, okay? In just 1 week, in a week, yeah. So you can see this is it. The profit has been massive. Everybody has making profit here. You can see been making profit all the way, and we've been dropping. Look at what this guy made just in the jiffy, okay? And we're dropping signals. That's how we roll in this. Look at what this one made from $10 to 44. Okay, got it. Got. Okay, all these are setups and signals I dropped in the group. You can see. So this is it. Everyone also comments in the group. That's the most important thing. Look at it. From $10, you can see it from $10 to 48 now. Okay, this one is still growing. Okay, that's just it. So I keep dropping signals. Look at it, and this one made massive profits. Yeah. So look at it here. Signals and chart setups. I dropped, and people made their profits. Okay, this is it. Okay, so just like that, this challenge is going to run till the end of this week actually. So if you're watching this video now and you want to join the challenge, just check the description box. You're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. When you come to my Telegram channel, you see a link to join the challenge, okay? And you see the rules and regulations. It's free of charge. Nobody is charging you anything, but your account has to be $10, okay? So we want to build confidence. We want to learn to trade no matter the amount, even if it's small account. Can see just $10 everybody started with. Even if it's this is it, everybody started with $10. So no matter how small or big the account is, you should be able to trade it. Okay, you should be able. It's just you doing the right thing. Okay guys, and let's go straight into the video. Let's go straight. Let me show you guys how this strategy I want to share with you guys works. This strategy I've been using to milk the market. Let me show you guys how it works. You can see more spikes. Wow, this is massive, guys. This is massive. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. It's just indicator you're going to be using. Just these indicators you see here on my indicator window. Okay, just these indicators. So first of all, look at the indicators. You have MACD, that's MACD, Bollinger Band, moving average, and stochastic oscillator. These are the indicators we are using for this strategy. Now, how this works, pay close attention. Pay close attention. Use this very what do you call it? Use this very zoom level. Make sure your chart is on the third zoom level. This is the third zoom level. Third, number 3. The third zoom level. Okay. Now you must make sure you drag your chart to this left end of your screen. This is where my own is. Okay, so you click and hold your chart until it shows something like this. Then you can drag it anywhere you position it. That's where it will be. If I position it here, it cannot pass here. But if I drag it further and bring it to the left end, this is the last point. I cannot drag it further. Okay, so I'll leave it. So now it can move to this point. This is where I get the accurate signal. Okay, so I'm just look at it. I'm just mining the market. Okay, so after you have done that, first thing, put your chart on the third zoom level, and then secondly, drag it to the left end of your screen. Okay, now what do you do next? We have the three indicators here. You want to see that the what do you call it, this stuff here, the Bollinger Band. I want to see the lower, okay, this is how to catch spike actually. So you want to see the upper band above this black line here, this line we see above this overbought level. Okay, so you want to see this black line enter the overbought level. Okay, now let me take you to where I enter this trade. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is where I actually enter the trade. So you want to see this Bollinger Band inside this zone. Okay, yeah, this is where we call our overbought level. Okay, from 80 up, so overbought level. Then you want to see these other blue and the red indicators cross above this same what do you call it, cross above this level 80 and enter this what do you call it, this overbought level. Then you also want to see the MACD. You want to see the bars of the MACD to enter. You want to see it enter this same overbought level. Okay, sorry, the chart just misbehaved. Now after you have seen that, what do? You enter your buy. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. You want to see, what I say is that you want to see the Bollinger Band come into this overbought level. They want to see the moving average come into the overbought level. They want to see this MACD, your MACD. You want to see it coming to the overbought level also. Okay, now I say the overbought level is anywhere from this 80 level upwards. That's your overbought level. Once you see this condition met, guys, enter your trades. Okay, can take your buy, your sell rather. You can catch your spike. Look at it. This is where the condition was fulfilled here, and then this is where I entered. This is where I made my entry here. Okay, you can see how sorry, this is where I made the entry here. So you can see how we've got a lot of spikes here. So this is where I made the entry here. You can see how we got the spikes. You can see how we got the spikes here up to this point. I think it's time for me to even exit. It's time to exit the trade. Okay. Yeah, it's time. Now, how do you take your profit? You have to wait for this red line to come to this oversold level. This blue or red line, any of them that comes to oversold level, you may exit. Okay, so it's time for me to exit this trade. I've overheld it. I just wanted to show you guys, right? So I can now close it. Okay, good. Now let me show you guys more of this. Wow, this is it. This is another example. Yeah, so you can see here the MACD was inside the overbought zone, and the other indicators also went into the overbought zone. Then you can see it gave you some drawdown actually. Oh, this is bullshit. It actually gives some drawdown, which is normal. Okay, so this is actually normal. It's not as though it won't give you drawdown. It will give you some drawdown. It's normal with trading. Okay, so it gave some drawdown, and you can see the massive drop. You can see we have made a lot of money from this also. Okay, this is another one. You can see this one also. We have made a lot of money as well. This is it here. Wow, guys, this strategy is so powerful. Look at it here. Look at it here, and you are making a lot of money, guys. Let me show you guys another one. This is it, the same way, exactly the same way. I am making a lot of money. Let me also go to boom. Let me go to boom. This is boom 1000, and let's see how to catch spikes with it on boom. Wow, this one I just missed. This one, Kai, I just missed this one. Now look at it, guys. Now, for catching spike on boom, you have to allow these whole indicators to come to the oversold level. Remember, boom spikes upward, while crash crashes downward. It spikes downward. That's why it's called crash. Okay, so you have to allow these whole indicators to come into the oversold level. All the indicators must come into the oversold level. Once that is done, you make your entry, and now look at these whole spikes. We have got them. Okay, so that is how it works. We can keep back testing. Look at it here again. You have got all these spikes. This is another example. We have got this small spike. This is another example. Even in a downtrend, you are still catching spikes. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Look at this one. We got massive spikes. Wow. Guys, this strategy is so powerful. Okay. So that is just it. Let's see 300. Whether it works on 300. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Ah, where was I? Where was I? This one just happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This, where was I, man? This happened less than 20 minutes ago. Ah, where was I, man? Look at it, guys. Look at it. This strategy is so powerful, guys. Look at it. So powerful. Okay. Look at it here again. You are catching multiple spikes, not even one, multiple spikes. Look at this, guys. This is so massive. You are making a lot of money. I always show you these things, guys. I always show you this thing. This is how to make money. This is how you make money. This is how you make money, guys. Wow. Good. This is it. Let's see crash 300 as well if it works. Now we are looking at the overbought level. Also, wow, this one is just happening now. Oh my god. This one is just happening now. I have to wait for it to go up a little more before I enter this trade. I want to allow it to go up a little more. Then I will enter this trade. Wow, I'm supposed to enter this one. I'm going to enter as soon as it gets up to this level, around this area, I will enter this trade. I will take a sell. I want to catch spikes here, okay? Because I've already missed the first steps. I missed this one. This is where I was supposed to enter this trade. At this point, you can see sniper entry. That's where I was supposed to enter, but I've already missed it. I've missed this and this, so I have to wait for it to come up a little more. Then I will enter to reduce the drawdown. Then I'll enter and bag my profit. Wow. So this is so massive, guys. Look at it here. The same thing happened here. Look at it. You can see this would have been the entry and you are making your profit. Wow. So guys, this is just it. Look at it here. So I can go on and on back testing. Guys, we will back test and you see how profitable it is. So let me show you guys the setup. Let me just show you guys the setup. Okay. Now, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe at this point. Subscribe to this channel, guys. I bring powerful strategies from time to time. Okay, and then turn on the post notification bell so whenever I post anything you get notified. Also give this video a like. Okay, like this video, guys. Like this video, and if you have any question to ask, go to the comment box below and drop your comments. Let's make it interactive. I will answer your questions almost immediately. And then check the description box. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Click it and join the community. Okay. Also, you can join our what do you call it? You can also join our October challenge. This is October 2022. Right, we're having a challenge trading raising $10 account to $100, and most of us have already accomplished it. It started yesterday, being the 3rd, right? 3rd of October. So that's when it started, and most of us have already accomplished the task, and we are still going to. Okay, now let me enter this trade. I think I should enter this trade. I have to enter this trade. Wow, I have to enter this trade, man. I have to enter this one. Okay, let me enter with one lot size. Okay, so I have entered this one, guys. So let me see how it goes. Let me see how it goes. Okay, now as I was saying, you can join this challenge. Okay, thank you. Now let me show you guys the setup. Mark D. Just look at the settings here. 12, 26, 9, close, 3 pixel, 9 pixel, right? You can just 3 pixel, 3 pixel, and the color I choose. Just set it up the way it is here. That's how just set it up the way it is here. Okay. Maybe I should make this darker. Oh, let me change it to pink. We already have pink. Let me change it to this. Okay. Good. So let me also go to this Bollinger Band. Period 200, deviation 1.500, shift 0, apply to close, style 2 pixel, and the color I chose was green. The color I chose is green. That's it. Okay, the next one, moving average, period 2, shift 0, method exponential, apply to first indicator data. Okay, style 4 pixel, color I chose blue. You can choose any color of your choice. Click done. Next one is stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator, K period 30, D period 20, slowing 20, price field close, method exponential, main signal 1111. I don't really need the signals. What I need is this level, which is 20 and 80. And this is the style. Okay, let me make it darker. Right. Okay, so click done. That is it. Okay, so that is just the setup, guys, and we have gotten the setup exactly the way it is here, the way it should be. Okay, so